Good morning, everyone. It is Thursday. Here, went out on my walk a little later than normal. I have the day off from work today. We're going to be heading to the beach in a little bit, but I figure I'd get my walk in. It's actually a chilly morning. I got a sweatshirt on. Hopefully it warms up, or it's going to be a chilly day down there at the beach, but we're going to head to Misquamicut, which is in Westerly, Rhode Island. For those of you who might not know the area, we're going to be right near Taylor Swift's mansion. So, should be a gorgeous day. It's supposed to be sunny all day. It's supposed to warm up to about 80 degrees today, so it'll be nice, but get the walk in before we go. And I'll get with you once I get to the boat ramp. Here, I am at the boat ramp. I made a really good time this morning. It took me about 15 minutes to get down here. Not bad at all. It's starting to warm up a little bit. Actually, for those of you that follow the vlog, you guys may have never seen this place during the daytime. Getting to those fall mornings. Anytime now I'm going to start seeing color on the top of the trees. Don't want it to come, but like I said, we're hitting the beach today. Everyone's still asleep right now. I had to start at my walk at 7:30 this morning, so I slept in a little bit. I slept till like 7 o'clock, but it's going to be a nice day. That sun is still warm, so it's going to warm up. When I first came out, I thought, oh God, we're going to have a cold day at the beach, but I think it's going to be nice. Alright, going to head back to the house now, get everyone up, and let's get our butts moving. And like I said, we're going to head down to Misquamicut, which is in Westerly, Rhode Island. Huge waves down there. Hopefully not as big as yesterday. It was supposed to be really bad yesterday. Back to the house. Alright, we got everything all packed up. We are getting ready to go to the beach. We're heading down to Misquamicut Beach today. They're saying the waves are still going to be a little high, not as bad as yesterday, and still some rip currents, so we'll have to keep an eye out for that. But that should be a good beach day. It was chilly this morning when I did my walk. I was worried that it was going to be cold today. It's gorgeous out right now. Absolutely beautiful, perfect, 100% beach day today, and we're going to go down and have fun. The girls are just dying to leave, and you can see Ashley with her face. She just loves being on this camera. The face of it. Alright, we are at Misquamicut Beach. And we made it down here. GoPro died on the way down, so I didn't get us driving in. But it is absolutely beautiful. You gotta pee? You gotta pee? You gotta pee? We have to pee. You gotta love it. You guys want to go for a walk and then we'll go back swimming?
Okay,
or do you want to go back in the water?
I want to go back in the water because Mom wants to go for a walk. I don't feel my walk.
Alright, Ash. You having fun?
Yeah.
Better than being at home? How about you, Joss?
Yeah.
You having fun?
She had a cell phone.
Oh, she didn't bring it with her?
I don't know,
Did you leave them in the truck?
yeah, I didn't want to put them in here. Stolen. I brought them
Absolutely gorgeous day. Beautiful beach day today. I'll take this. Better than sitting at work all day. But, alright, we're going to walk down the beach. Which way? To the left. To the left. To the left.
We used to say that at Disney all the time. When it was like, go left.
Yeah, she's not my daughter or anything. No. I don't think we need a DNA test there or anything. Oh. We don't have a mailman, so it can't be that. We don't get milk delivered.
Miss Julie begs to differ. I was like, I have brown eyes and both my parents have blue eyes. Like, how is that happening? She's like, there's always family secrets. And I was like, Miss Julie.
All right, ready? Let's go walk down the shore.
They sink in the water.
We're Big Ash. Sell the house when I move and live down at the beach. We'll be beach bums for the rest of our lives. That sound good? No school this year. We just live here all year. Move down to Florida during the summer. I mean during the winter.
Yeah.
I could handle that. Oh, this is so nice. Oh, I love the beach. Absolutely love the beach. And Ashley and Mom, Jessica and Mom at night back there.
So what? Mermaid's curse.
Oh, okay. What is it called?
Mermaid's curse. Baby sharks or like baby manta rays or something are born.
They say coming on the sideways. Look at it. Not only that, but front. We are home. What a great day at the beach today. Oh, it was awesome. The weird waves, they weren't, usually you get the waves that are in rhythm. They were all over the place. But in any case, I'm heading to bed because it wiped me out. I'm not as young as I used to be. So I'll get with you guys more tomorrow. If you're new to the vlog, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. Please hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and you'll hit the little bell icon. You'll get more information anytime I upload a video. Again, I'm exhausted, so I'm headed to bed. I will see you guys all again tomorrow. Hey everyone, thanks for watching my video. I appreciate it. If you're new, please click the subscribe button below. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know that you like the video. If you really like the video, you can also subscribe up here. If you want to see the latest video that I did, this is most likely from yesterday, click here. If you want to see a video that I did 1 year ago, please click here. Thanks again for watching. I do appreciate it, and I will see everyone again tomorrow.